Today's video is hopefully sponsored by the Illuminati. Bring an adjustment clip on top of your clip. Select the adjustment clip and open it in the Fusion page. Add a merge node, and change the apply mode to linear dodge. Bring a time stretcher node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Add a matte control node after. Change the combine to combine alpha, and check the post multiply image box. Bring a polygon mask in empty space, and draw a mask around your subject. Obviously you can use the magic mask and save some time, but this is for all the broke people that can't afford the studio version. Once you have your mask, connect it to the green point of the matte control. Select the matte control and add a transform node after. Right-click to the size slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, and set the curve to easing. Change the inter-expo and the outer sign. Set the offset slider to 1. If you want to change the zoom point, go to the Tools tab, and adjust the pivot point. Add a color correction node, and choose a color that you like. Bring a flicker node after, change the flicker type to gain, and increase the range and the speed sliders to your liking. Add a soft glow node after, and adjust the threshold and glow sliders to your liking. Connect it to the green point of the merge node as a foreground. If you want to make the mask smoother, just select the matte control and increase the blur slider. Now you can play around with the nodes if you have time to waste. If you want to save yourself some time, buy my pack and make me rich.